Is this real? My name's Coden Nikbakht. I'm a legal defense advocate, and today I'm going to be reacting to some viral speeding videos. All right. Good. Yeah. Wow. So in this clip, I'm not so concerned with the speed of the vehicles, but rather wherever this is, the city obviously not marking this speed bump properly when the city does have a duty of care to ensure that drivers know what they're driving into. Big lawsuit here for these drivers if they wanted one. If I had to scale this from 1 to 10 on how bad they're breaking the laws here, again, I'm not going to be marking these drivers. I'm going to be looking at the jurisdiction, the city or the village, wherever this is. And I think they're in the wrong here. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10.
This driver was going down the Autobahn at over 200 kilometers per hour, and his worst nightmare almost came true, as whilst carrying all that speed, another driver pulled directly into his lane, forcing him to slam on his brakes and miraculously avoid a collision. He managed to slow his car down from 200 kilometers per hour to nearly 100.
Okay, this is seriously dangerous. Again, not so much with the driver driving 200. The Autobahn is a highway in Germany where a lot of stretches of the highway don't have speed limits, so 200 is completely reasonable, especially for a vehicle in good working condition. The issue here is that vehicle being cut off, and so that vehicle who switched lanes when unsafe to do so is in breach of traffic safety law, specifically changing lanes when unsafe to do so. They could also be charged with driving without consideration to others or driving without due care and attention. Very unsafe maneuver here. I'm going to rate this video an 8 out of 10. Is this real? Wow. What do I say about this? This person is putting everyone in danger. He's lucky that he didn't kill somebody or seriously injure somebody or himself. This person would most likely be facing not only traffic safety charges, but depending on why he did this, potentially criminal charges for driving dangerously. Jail time could be expected, huge fines, license suspensions. This is serious. I'm going to rate this 10 out of 10, if this is even a real video. Okay, this guy's jamming out. Looks like he's going pretty fast. Doing some movements with his hands. All right, and now he's smoking. Okay, so I don't know what he's smoking. If it's something that impairs his driving ability, that's obviously serious. He can be charged with driving under the influence and other charges. He seems to be driving very fast. It's hard to know exactly without looking at the speedometer and just from this angle, but I'm suspecting probably speeding. I also noticed that he's not really paying much attention to the road, and drivers owe a duty to others on the road to pay attention to their driving, and so I feel like that his attention fell under standard. It's subpar. Don't see any collisions. I don't see issues that arose out of this, luckily. So I'm going to rate this a 7 out of 10 and hope that it all went well. Ooh, a high-speed chase. Okay. He's trying. Wow. He's driving. What's going on? Is he going backwards? Okay, and he got away. No, not so fast. Oh, this is such an unfortunate situation. This guy was really just being a menace to society. Who knows what was going on in his mind? You got to feel bad for people like this because they're not operating in their right mind. You know, I see guns. Obviously, there could be some prominent gun charges there, fleeing from police, bunch of collisions. I mean, he's stealing people's vehicles. He's driving recklessly. I'm thinking that the police are not looking at Traffic Safety Act and regulations here. They're going criminal, and this guy is going to be facing a lot of years in jail. You better have a good defense attorney to sort things out. I'm going to rate this 10 out of 10.
Like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my other videos.